Hello, I'm in a 2015 Mazda Mazda 3, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then right up here, this cap leads to the top of your radiator. This could be where you add your coolant to if needed. When you work with this system, make sure the engine's off and the vehicle's cooled down, just because you don't want to work with this system while it's hot, since it's under pressure and this liquid can get to a boil, so you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out onto you. But to check this, you'll just push down slightly and twist about twice, and this cap just pops right off, and you should see coolant right there. And if you do need to add some, double check your owner's manual good online, so you've got the best coolant for your make and model. And typically too, you want to match the same color of coolant and type of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match. But to add, you'll take your diluted coolant jug, and with a funnel or straight from your jug, just add as needed. Then screw this back on nice and tight. Once you've topped that off and it's tight, I would probably start the motor for a few minutes to circulate the new coolant through. And meanwhile, I would check around your engine bay, around all the lines, around the radiator and under the car, see if you see any liquid forming. A way to check that apart from, say, water condensation is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.